Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. In this video, I am going to show you how you use and create a level meter in your WinCC Unified. You will see here a bar graph here, but I am going to name it a level. You will see that here it is also same like my slider, but now I am going to make it a level meter. In the level meter I am used to as my level, showing my level. So I am going to use the tag hit here, and the same tag I am going to use and name it level tag. Here you will see that the level tag I'm going to use it here, and also I'm going to change that scale to 10. Also I'm going to enter a 0.0, but I think it is not working, but we'll see that the level meters showing here. Process value indicator, and I think border color, background color, and normal range and trend. I think I need to change that color to blue. That's one, and that's one to blue also, I think. Now I'm title scale so I think leave it, we will discuss it in my detailed video. If you have any query, then you will WhatsApp me. But now you will see that my level tag level bar graph is now created, and now I think I need to arrange it to above like that. Here I'm also going to delete that. So now I'm going to compile that and start a simulation. Now my project is going to load. And now my project has been loaded. First of all, I am going to refresh my semantic runtime manager to see that my project is running. Now I am going to open that my WinCC Unified. Here is my tank level showing. You will see that level also showing here. There is a 2. Now I am going to move it to 7. So you will see that the level is also increasing in my bar graph. So that's how bar graph level indicator works in our WinCC Unified. So thank you very much for watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and in the descriptions I give my WhatsApp. So if you have any query, you can WhatsApp me. And also I also have an email address here, so you can also email me. And in the description there is also a links of others video tutorials So if you have any query, you can send me WhatsApp and watch my videos. And thank you again for watch my video and like my channel.